Dear students of class 10, how are you all? I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are well. I am also well. Welcome to our today's class. I am M.D. Asghar Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics. This is our second lecture of Binomial Expansion of your Higher Mathematics, Chapter 10. Okay, today I will teach you about creative question and multiple choice question of this chapter. So dear student, now we can start our today's class. Today's lecture 10.2, question number 17. Here this is a creative question of binomial expansion. First one is if here a plus bx whole to the power n is the algebraic expression. Here this algebraic expression is a binomial term because it has a two terms, and we have to solve the question number a, b, c according to this stem, which is given a binomial term a plus bx whole to the power n. Okay, dear students, at first question a is if a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5, determine the expansion of the expression using the Pascal triangle. In previous class already we have discussed how we can expand the binomial term. We have two ways. First one is Pascal's triangle, by using Pascal triangles, and second one is binomial theorem. Okay, now for question A we have to use the Pascal triangle. Okay, at first here given a plus bx whole to the power n. For the question A, here a is equal to 1. Okay, for the question A, here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 x and n is equal to 5. So this is the new binomial term, and we have to expand this binomial term by using Pascal triangle. Okay, here n is equal to 5. Here n is equal to 5. Okay, for n is equal to 5 we have to draw the Pascal triangle. Okay, if n is equal to n is equal to 0, then we have to start from 1. If n is equal to 1, degree is 1, power is 1, then this is 1 and this is 1. If n is equal to 2, then addition of this is equal to 2 and this is 1 and this is also 1. If n is equal to 3, then addition of 2, 1 and 2 is equal to 3 and 2 and 1 is equal to 3. This is 1 and this is also 1. Okay, if n is equal to 4, addition of this is 4, addition of 3 and 3 is equal to 6, addition of 3 and 1 is equal to 4. This is 1 and this is also 1. Okay, if n is equal to 5, then addition of this is equal to 5, addition of 4 and 6 is equal to 10, addition of 6 and 4 is equal to 10, addition and 4 and 1 is equal to 5. This is 1 and this is 1. So already we have got the coefficient for this expansion. Okay, our coefficient, if n is equal to 5, then this is n is equal to 5, then our coefficient is this. Okay, now we can expand this binomial term by this coefficient. Okay, now how we can expand this? By using this coefficient. Okay, just okay, n is equal to 5, then first coefficient is 1. Okay, so we can write it for this expansion, for this binomial term. Now 1 plus 2x whole to the power 5 is equal to first coefficient is 1. So here first term is 1, so no need mention the first term, because first term is 1. Any power of 1 is always 1. So our second term is twice x. So the power of second term we have to maintain the power of second term according to the ascending order. Okay, that means we have to start from 0. Okay, 2x to the power 0, and our second coefficient is 1 is gone, and now our second coefficient is 5. Okay, so 5 into our second term is twice x 1, and our next coefficient is 10. Okay, now 10 into 2x square plus, okay, then next coefficient is also 10, so 10 into 2x cube. Okay, then next coefficient is 5. Okay, so 5 into 2x 4, and last coefficient is 1. Okay, so 1 into 2x whole to the power 5. Okay, our n, the value of n is equal to 5. Okay, now calculation of this step is, here 2x to the power 0 is equal to 1, so our answer is 1 plus 5 into 2 is equal to 10x plus 2 square is equal to 4, 4 into 10, 40x square plus 2 cube is equal to 8, 8 into 10 is equal to 80 x cube plus 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, 16 into 5 is equal to 80 x to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 x to the power 5. This is our answer of question A. Now question number B. If b is equal to 3, n is equal to 7, in the expansion of expression, the coefficient of x to the power 4 is this, then determine the value of a. Okay, now question B. Okay, here b is equal to 3. Our binomial term is given. Our binomial term is a plus bx to the power n. Okay, but here b is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 and n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. Then the coefficient of x to the power 4 is equal to given. We have to find the value of a. Okay, after replacing this value in binomial term, then so here now a plus b is equal to 3 and x n is equal to 7. Okay, this is the binomial term after replacing the value of b is equal to 3 n is equal to 7. Okay, dear students, you have to expand this binomial term up to x to the power 4. When you will get the x to the power 4, then you can stop the expansion. Okay, so you have to expand this binomial term up to x to the power 4. Okay, and but which one is we can use Pascal's triangle or binomial theorem? It here no mention about the process, so we can use binomial theorem. Okay, using the binomial theorem we can write it here n is equal to 7 C0 into a to the power 7 into 3x 0. Here the first term maintain descending order and second term maintain ascending order. The power of first term maintain the descending order and second term according to ascending order. So here 7 and the ascending order is first we can start from 0. Okay, otherwise you can use this way. Here 7 C0. So first term, the power of the first term, difference of this 7 and second term is here. Okay, and 7 C1. So first term difference of two numbers 7 and 1 is 6 and the power of second term here is 1 is also 1. Okay, and 7C2. Okay, here the power of a difference of 2 7 minus 2 5 and second term here is 2, so this is 2. Okay, now 7C3 then a is equal to 4 and because minus of this is equal to 4 and second term is equal to 3, but we need x to the power 4, so 7C4 the power is difference of this is equal to 3 and second term is equal to this is 4. Okay, now we need the coefficient of x to the power 4. So dear student, it is clear where is our coefficient of x to the power 4. Here this is this in this term here the coefficient of x to the power 4. Okay, so here the coefficient is without the variable, without the x, the remaining term is the coefficient of x to the power 4. Okay, so Here we get from this the coefficient of x to the power 4 without the term of x to the power 4, the remaining term is the coefficient of x to the power 4. So 7c4 a cube 3 to the power 4. This is our coefficient of x to the power 7c4 into 3 to the power 4. You can use a calculator or by this formula. Then this is 2835 into a cube. This is our the coefficient of x to the power 4. Okay, this coefficient, the value of this coefficient is equal to this. Okay, now according to the question, our coefficient of 2835 a cube is equal to 2680. Okay, now a cube is equal to 2680 2835. Okay, after dividing this term, then we can write divided by 2835. Okay, we get, after dividing this, we get 8. So a cube is equal to 2 cube. So a is equal to 2. This is our answer. Our question number is C. Okay, here if a is equal to 2, at first our given algebraic expression is a plus bx to the power n whole to the power n, and if a is equal to 2, here a is equal to 2 plus and b is equal to 1, so x, then the coefficient of fifth term and sixth term of the expansion are same. Okay, so if the coefficient of fifth term and sixth term are same, so we need the fifth term and sixth term of this expansion. Okay, dear student, here we have to apply the general term of binomial expansion, general term of binomial term. What is our general term? Okay, if here if a plus x to the power n is our binomial term, then our general term is denoted by t subscript r plus 1 is equal to n c r a n minus r into x to the power r. Okay, this is our formula of general term. Okay, here according to this formula, we can write for the fifth term is equal to fifth term, we can write it or 4 plus 1th term, according to our r plus 1, here r is equal to 4. According to r plus 1, so r is equal to 4. Okay. So according to r plus 1, r is equal to 4. Here our term is n is n, c r is equal to 4, and first term a is equal to, here compare with this, first term a is equal to 2 to the power n minus r, n minus 4, here r is equal to 4 into x to the power r is 4. Okay, so this is our fifth term, and the coefficient of fifth term is this one. Okay, this is our the coefficient of fifth term. And now we need sixth term. Okay, according to our general term, we can write it sixth term or 5 plus 1th term is equal to here r is equal to 5. So n c 5 2 to the power n minus r, n minus 5 into x to the power r is 5. So coefficient of this term is equal to this one. Okay, coefficient of this term is equal to this. Okay, here both coefficients are equal, then we have to find out the value of n. Okay, now we can write both coefficients are equal. Okay, now according to the question, both coefficients are equal, therefore n c 4, then coefficient of 2 to the power n minus 4 is equal to n c 5 2 to the power n minus 5. Okay, both coefficients are equal. Now we have to find the value of n. Okay, and now how we can calculate NC4? Here NCR, we have a NCR is equal to factorial n minus r into r factorial. We can calculate this below by this way, but we can apply the another technique. Here n is equal to, here this is 4, so we can write n according to the descending order up to 4 times, because here n is 4. This according to the descending order, here n, and next number is n minus 1, and then n minus 2, and then n minus 3, according to the descending order up to the 4 numbers, because here is n is equal to 4, here is 4, that's why. Okay, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and here 4, according to the descending order we can write it 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, here is 2 to the power n minus 4 is equal to, and according to similar way we have to write 5 times according to the descending order. Descending order of n is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here is 5 1 2 3 4, 5, okay, into 2 to the power n minus 5. Okay, here by this way, here in both terms, by the simplification according to both sides, okay, we can write here n into n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3, and into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 will be discarded. Then here is 1, and in denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be discarded. So it also be 1, and here 2 to the power n minus 4 is equal to, but after discarding n into n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3, then we have n minus 4, and this is 5 into 2 to the power n minus 5. Okay, so 2 to the power n minus 4 divided by 2 to the power n minus 5 is equal to n minus 4 divided by 5. Okay, so base are equal. 2 to the power n minus 4 minus n plus 5 is equal to n minus 4 divided by 5. Okay, after this we can write here 2 to the power 1 minus 4 plus 1, it will be 1, is equal to n minus 4 divided by 5. Okay, so 2 is equal to n minus 4 divided by 5. By the cross multiplication, n minus 4 is equal to 10, so n is equal to 14. So this is the answer of question number. Now multiple choice question of this chapter. First question is, how many terms in the expansion of x plus a divided by x whole to the power 8? Okay, at first you have to know how many terms in binomial term, how many terms in expansion of binomial term. Here, if the binomial term is a plus x to the power n, this is binomial term. Here power is n, then total terms is equal to n plus 1. This is our formula. If power is n, then total term is n plus 1. According to this, here n is equal to 8. So number of total term here n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. So total terms is equal to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, so our answer option is D is right answer. Okay, this is our right option. Okay, and next question is, how many terms in the expansion of this? Okay, same question. According we can solve this question according to this process, but this is not a binomial term, it has a 3 terms. At first you have to convert it into binomial term. How? This is 4x square plus 4xy plus y square whole cube. Here, according to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write here 2x whole square plus 2 into a, 2x into b is y plus y square. Okay, so 2x plus y whole square and power is 3. So 2x plus y, 3 and 2, 6. Here n is equal to 6. Here n is equal to 6. So total terms is equal to n plus 1 is equal to total terms n plus 1, it will be 7. So our answer option A is right. Okay, now question number 3. Okay, now question number 3, our question is, in the expansion of this, what is the value of the term independent of y? Independent of y, it means it can say it's a constant term without y. The term without y is called a independent of y or y preterm or constant term. Okay, now y plus 1 by y to the power 4. Here need y independent term. Here 4c0, just first term is difference of this 4 and 1 by y is 1, but 4c0 4c1, this is 3, and 1 by y 1, but 4c2 y square and 1 by y square also, 4c3 y cube 1 by y, sorry, y 1 and y cube, and plus 4c4 y to the power 0 and y to the power 4. But which one is x preterm? If here after simplification of this, it will be y cube, because y4 divided by y is equal to y cube. No, but it is not y preterm. Y preterm without y, it has also y, because y cube divided by y is equal to y square. But here y square divided by y square, it will be discarded, and then 4c2 is a constant term, has no y term. So this is our x preterm. Okay, this is our x preterm, sorry, y preterm. So our y preterm is 4c2, because y square into 1 by y square here is equal to 4c2. So what is the value of 4c2? We can find it by the calculator. 4c2 is equal to 6. Okay, this is equal to 6. Okay, our answer option is B, is right answer. Okay, now our question is 4. What is the value of NCR where r is equal to 0? Here is NCR. Here n is equal to r is equal to NCR. We get the value of NCR is equal to factorial n minus r factorial and r factorial. Here r is equal to 0, so n factorial, n minus 0 factorial means n factorial, and r is equal to 0, 0 factorial. We know that 0 factorial is equal to 1, so n factorial divided by n factorial is equal to 1. So our answer option is B, is right answer. Okay, question number 5. Which one is the general term of a plus b whole to the power n? So dear students, we know that if a plus x is our binomial term, then general term is t r plus what is called a general term, which is n c r into a n minus r and x to the power r. Okay, here we can write NCR, we can write it n r. By this symbol we can write NCR. Okay, e to the power n minus r into x to the power r. Okay, both are equal. Okay, here n is equal to, our binomial term is a plus b to the power n. So according to this, a is equal to a and x is equal to b. Okay, according to this, so n r, here a is a, so n minus r, and x is b, b to the power r. So this is our right answer of the general term. Here from a, option a, b, c and d, our right option is d. Okay, dear students, this is our today's class.